Hello everyone, and welcome back to DET Coach's Beginner's Guide to the Duolingo English Test. In this lesson, we'll learn how to identify the part of speech before completing a word and fill in the blanks. The task gives you a sentence and the beginning of one incomplete word. Your answer has to pass 3 checks. The letters must fit, the grammar must fit, and the meaning must fit. If you guess from the letters first, several endings may look possible. So begin with the sentence position, not the missing letters. Part 1. Read the position around the blank. After an article, the sentence often needs a noun or an adjective followed by a noun. After a preposition, it often needs a noun, a pronoun, or a gerund. After a form of be, it often needs an adjective, a participle, or a noun phrase. After a main verb, it may need an object noun or an adverb that modifies the action. These are common patterns, not absolute rules. But they quickly reduce the number of possible endings. Read the clue immediately before and after the blank. Then name the required word class before you think about spelling. Part 2. Apply the method to a worked example. Consider this sentence. The teacher gave a short blank before the activity. The incomplete word begins with the letters E, X, P, L, A, N, A. Now look at the words immediately before it. A short. The article a and the adjective short create a noun position. Explanation is a noun. It matches the given letters and names what the teacher gave. So the grammar, spelling, and meaning all agree. The answer is explanation. Now consider. The instructions were help blank for new students. Were is a form of the verb be. In this sentence, the blank needs an adjective complement that describes the instructions. Helpful is an adjective and means useful or providing help. Helping is also a real word, but it does not fit this grammatical position with for new students. Matching the beginning help is therefore not enough. The sentence pattern selects helpful. Grammar chooses the ending before spelling confirms it. Now consider. The volunteers worked quiet blank during the recording. Worked is the main verb. The missing word tells us how the volunteers worked. That means the sentence needs an adverb. Quietly is the adverb that fits both the action and the meaning. Compare 3 forms built from quiet. Quieted is a past tense verb, quietly is an adverb, and quieter is a comparative adjective. Each form adds 2 letters, but each has a different grammatical job. The number of missing letters cannot decide the answer. The grammatical role of the word can decide the answer. Part 3. Use the same 3-check method every time. First, do the completed letters match the beginning you were given? Second, does the completed word have the required part of speech? Third, does its meaning fit the sentence exactly? If any one of these checks fails, reject the answer. In the sentence about the instructions, your first question should be, which part of speech is required after were? The sentence needs an adjective, so helpful is the correct completion. Now complete the lesson practice using an article, a form of be, and a main verb as your clues. Keep the order simple: position, part of speech, spelling, and meaning. I'll see you in the next lesson.